Chispa App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how dating apps have evolved in 2025. Chispa promises a Latino-focused community, easy matching and engaging features, but is it worth using? The surprising truth is cultural focus. Most people get this wrong by assuming dating apps are one size fits all. Chispa caters specifically to Latino singles, offering a space that celebrates culture, language and shared interests. One major advantage is simplicity. You won't believe what happens next when you see Chispa allow swiping, matching and messaging with intuitive features, plus in-app events and profile prompts that spark meaningful conversations. The app also emphasizes safety and moderation. Profiles are verified, and community guidelines help reduce spam or inappropriate interactions, creating a more comfortable environment. However, there are cons. Limited geographic reach may restrict matches in smaller cities. Some features require premium subscriptions, and casual users may find the niche focus less appealing if looking for broader options. In conclusion, Chispa in 2025 is ideal for Latino singles seeking culturally relevant connections with a safe and interactive platform. While location and premium features are considerations, the combination of simplicity, cultural focus, and community engagement makes Chispa a standout dating app for its target audience.